Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. Imagine teaching a computer to think or make decisions. That's artificial intelligence. AI. Traditionally, AI often relies on one big brain or a central computer. But what if that brain fails? Or needs all your private data just to learn? Decentralized AI is about spreading that brain power out across many computers. This makes AI systems more robust, harder to break, private, better for your data, and scalable, easier to grow, fundamentally changing how developers build intelligent applications. Think about building an amazing robot chef for a restaurant. In a centralized AI system, this chef has one big kitchen, a powerful server, where all ingredients, data, are stored, all cooking, AI model training, happens, and all dishes, predictions or decisions, are made. As a developer, you'd manage this single, mighty server. All user requests, like, make me pasta, go to asterisk this one machine. It's straightforward to set up initially. But what happens if that kitchen has a power outage? Or gets too many orders at once? That single chef system, while simple, comes with significant downsides for developers. 1. Single point of failure. If the main server crashes, your entire AI application goes down. Users can't access it, and your service stops. 2. Privacy concerns. You have to gather all user data in one place, creating a huge target for hackers and raising sensitive privacy questions. 3. Scalability headaches. To handle more users, you need a bigger, more expensive single server. It's like trying to make one chef cook for an entire stadium. Eventually, they just can't keep up. 4. Potential for bias. If the chef is only trained on ingredients, data from one specific region or group, the food AI's predictions might not be fair or relevant to everyone. The word decentralized simply means not controlled by one single entity. Instead of one big boss, imagine a community project where many individuals contribute. In technology, instead of one powerful server, you have many smaller computers, often called nodes, working together as a network. As a developer, this means you're now orchestrating a network of these smaller components, allowing them to collaborate and share tasks, rather than relying on a single, monolithic system. Now, let's apply that spread out idea to AI. Instead of one AI brain residing on one server, imagine many smaller, mini-brains, or parts of a brain, spread across different computers. These computers collaborate to learn, predict, and make decisions without sharing all their raw, sensitive data with a central hub. It's like having many chefs in different kitchens, each learning a bit, and then securely sharing recipes, learned model updates, rather than all their secret ingredients, raw data, directly. Each chef contributes to the overall culinary expertise without revealing everything they've got. Decentralized AI directly addresses many of the challenges of its centralized counterpart, giving developers powerful new capabilities. 1. Robustness. No single point of failure. If one mini-brain goes offline, the others keep working. The system is more resilient. Like a swarm of bees, losing one doesn't stop the whole swarm. 2. Enhanced privacy and security. Data often stays on the user's device or local server. Only learned patterns, model updates, not raw data, are shared. This is huge for applications dealing with sensitive info like health or finance. 3. Scalability. You can easily add more mini-brains, computers or devices, to the network. It's like adding more cooks to handle more orders, making it easier and often cheaper to scale your AI system. 4. Reduced bias and fairer AI. By leveraging diverse data sources that stay local and combine learnings, models can learn from a broader, more representative range of information, potentially leading to fairer and less biased AI outcomes. As a developer, when building decentralized AI, you'd use techniques and frameworks that enable distributed collaboration. *** federated learning. Imagine users' phones training a small part of an AI model on the phone itself, then sending only the summary of what it learned, not your personal data, to a central server to combine with others. This keeps your data private while improving the global model. *** blockchain for AI. Using a secure, unchangeable ledger, like blockchain, to record and verify AI model updates, data contributions, or even payments for AI tasks. This ensures transparency and trust without a single central authority. *** distributed ledger technologies. DLT. More broadly, using peer-to-peer networks to manage and share AI tasks or data in a secure, decentralized way. You're essentially building systems where components agree on results and learn together, without a master controller. Decentralized AI isn't just theory. It's being explored in real-world scenarios where privacy, resilience, and scalability are paramount. *** healthcare. Training AI to detect diseases using patient data from multiple hospitals without any hospital ever sharing raw patient records. Protecting patient confidentiality. *** smart cities. Optimizing traffic flow or energy use by having local sensors contribute to a larger AI model, without sending all raw camera feeds to a central server. *** finance. Detecting fraud more effectively across different banks while strictly respecting customer privacy. The goal is to build AI systems that are not only powerful but also trustworthy, private, and resilient, crucial for the next generation of intelligent applications that respect user data and operate reliably in complex environments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.